Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're talking about drones. They're getting more and more popular all the time. I don't know about you, but I'm into them. I'm super pumped about all the new stuff that's coming out. Sorry if I'm squinting a lot because it's
really bright outside.
So recently my friend let me borrow his DJI Phantom 3 and it was crazy, the quality that it can take from the air. It was amazing. They're expensive, but I wanted to show you today just how amazing this quality is that these drones can get from the air. So I've got this field in my backyard. It's absolutely amazing. The view is awesome. And I tried out his drone up in the air and it was crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the footage I got so that you can see just how amazing these drones are.